Hi everyone. Today we will learn about solar mini home system. For this we need a solar panel, charge controller, a battery and a DC, fans and bulbs. Let's begin now. The solar positive and negative wires to be connected to S plus and S minus to the charge controller. This is the charge controller. It is used to control the battery charging and discharging level and solar PV charging also. And it is a 12 volt 9Ah battery. The battery terminals are to be connected to B plus and B minus to the charge controller. Then you can see the indication lights in the charge controller. SPV charging and load can be seen here. Now the load terminals positive and negative also need to connect to the L plus and L minus to the charge controller. With this we can finish our connection setup. Also see the indication lights in the charge controller. Now turn on the switch. Here I connected to MCB. Now the fan, you can see the fan can be rotated. You can even connect any DC load like LED bulbs and LED strings. Here I have connected LED strip. You can see here. Now please do subscribe our channel for our upcoming video about home automations. Thanking you everyone.